Okay, so today I wanted to quickly show you guys the multi-character function within the ConsistentCharacter.ai website. Now, the multi-character function is still being tested. It's in its beta testing stage, so it might not be 100% great, but I just want to show you what this website is gearing towards and what eventually what this website can do. So again, multi-character again is taking two characters that you've already created. You have to download them before you go into this multi-character feature, but you download them and we're going to combine them together in one scene. Once you have your images, you just upload them. So I'm going to upload my first character, this little girl, and my second character. And then you can name them if you want. If you don't want to, just keep it as character 1 and 2. Let's do her as Anne. And all you're going to do is type out a scene. So let's say at Trish is talking to at Anne. I'm going to say keep the scene. Let's keep the scene in Pixar animation style. And then I want them to be in front of the Chicago Bean. And let's see what it comes up with. And while I have it generating, I'm just going to say, yes, you do have to, it's best to create these characters separately. Don't just go in and try to create multiple characters within one scene. At this, I believe at this time, it's not at its best. Okay, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. They are at the Chicago Bean. The characters are the same. Let's say, okay, let's say in front of Pizza, and I want to change it to Trish is kicking a soccer ball to Anne. And let's generate that. Oh, wow. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Let's see. In front of Eiffel. Oops. Tower. How do you spell Eiffel? There we go. And let's see. What do I want them to do? Let's say eating. Trish and Anne. Oops. Are eating a croissant. Spells croissant. Oh, I can't spell today. Okay, a croissant. And let's see. In front of the Eiffel Tower. I love it. I love it. Now, that's some big old croissants, more like loaves of bread, but it's still, I love it. Let's do one more. Um, let's see. I don't know if it's going to do this one, but I'm going to try Trish and are play fighting each other. And we're going to do it in front of the Colosseum in Rome. This is perfect for this book idea that I have. Um, Now that I see that it will, what it can really do. Um, this is going to make my book a lot more easier. It's just going to make it so much easier. Okay, I like it. Now, the face does, let's see. No, it looks like her. Okay, yep, that is them. Yeah, okay, so the teeth are the same, nose are the same, hair's the same. I like it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have them in from the Chicago Bean, Pisa, the Eiffel Tower, the Colosseum. Ah, I'm amazed. I'm amazed. But yeah, so this is the multi character function within ConsistentCharacter.ai. If you have been looking for a tool to help you with your lesson plans, your presentations, your books, your coloring books, whatever it is, this is the tool. I can't hype it up enough. This is the tool. All right. See you next time.